Hey everyone, it's Biden. I'm back with another stuff. Today is Sunday, August 22nd, and it's the afternoon time. It's roughly 5:30 p.m. Central Time, and I'm here to bring you guys some more information. As you guys know, I'm here to wrap up the weekend for you guys, bring an end to the weekend, and bring in a new week, and hopefully you guys are very excited for it. I know I am. Just always excited to see what the future has for us. Very excited to see what Veve has for us this week. Um, and I've got some information for you guys. I got Reddit's, got Omi's price, and then we'll wrap it up right there for you guys. With that being said, I did update the digital collectible prices on the spreadsheet. Okay, guys, so let's pop into that right off the bat here. Spreadsheet's going to be linked in the description down below. If you need to know the price of any Veve NFT, you're going to want to go to the link in the description down below. Now, we've got the prices for the digital collectibles on the market prices tab. The prices are going to be in column I. This is the column where the numbers are slightly larger. It's also the column with the header 822, which is today's date. Now, we've also got a ton of other data on here that's pretty much up to date. The circulating supply isn't exactly up to date right now. It's still probably very close. With that being said, I do have the recent price movement up to date, the percentage gain from Veve price up to date. Now, for the digital comics, the prices are going to be in column F. Now, I did update the prices a tad, not a ton. It's still almost impossible to tell what the prices are. I try to do my best to kind of keep them updated, guys. They're probably not perfect, but eventually, once they add the functionality to like filter in the market for the comics, I'll be able to get that updated. Low Mintage NFTs page is okay. I've got to update it, so just give me a little bit of time on the Low Mintage NFTs page. I'll get around to it. With that being said, the portfolio calculators are good to go. So those are ready to go. They have the most recent prices on them. They're ready to give you your portfolio values. And that's pretty much all I've got for you guys today as far as that's concerned. So let's go over some prices. I'm probably just going to talk about maybe downward movers if they're over 15%, and then we'll talk about all the green ones. So the first one moving down is going to be Becky Cloonan Batman. It was on my spreadsheet at 270, currently at 215, so a pretty stark move to the downside. As well as Todd McFarlane. We had Todd McFarlane at 550, currently going for 460 on the app, so movement of minus 16%. We've got Bruce Tim Harley Quinn going up 6.5%, going from 122 to 130. So that one's nice. We've got a downward move for Gary Frank Batman, going from 74 to 62 for a minus 16% movement. But then we do have a 9.5% move to the upside for Darwin Cook, going from 32 to 35. Next NFT might be the best NFT of the day, and that's going to be the Steve Pugh Harley Quinn. It was on the spreadsheet at 4,899, currently going for 5,899 for a 20.5% move to the upside. I'm thinking about popping this one in the thumbnail because this one's on a roll. Next, oh, I didn't do some of the prices. I forgot to grab that price, but we've got a minus 16% movement for the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man, going from 215 to 180. So that's a 16% move to the downside. We've got an 18.5% move to the upside for Bubbles, going from 12.99 to 15.40. We've also got a 16.5 move to the downside for Mojo Jojo, going from 114 down to $95. We've got Donnie also going down 20%. That's pretty standard. We're not going to really take too much time to talk about the Unicornos other than the fact that Ritmo is dropping 14.5%, going from 730 down to 625. We're going to go ahead and pop over here. We do have a downward movement of about 15% for both Corsica and Tropicana. Corsica going 149 to 128. Tropicana going from 40 to 34. We're going to probably skip most of these ones here. Yeah, we're going to skip all these ones. All you need to know is every single Ultraman has gone down. We've got a 6.5% move to the upside for the common DeLorean, but that doesn't mean anything. That just means it moved $1. And same thing for Nessie. It shows 11%, but it just moved $1. We do have a move right here for the common Dragon Girl going up 13.5%, going from $45 to 51 US dollar roonies. Next, we got Count Calorie going down 20%, going from 195 down to blah blah blah. Sorry, scratch that. Count Calorie going down 20%, going from 295 to 235. Next, the entire Pride Givenchy set is going up. I mean, we've got the logo up, Pride poster up, Amelia Earhart up, Cleo up, everything up. Labbit's going down quite a bit there, except for Neon stayed even. Backstab went down just a tiny bit. Hoverboard's all going down. Cthulhu's all going down. Rabbit's all going down. On the posters, we do have an upward movement on the Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure poster, going from $75 to $80, so that's a move of 6.5% to the upside. We've also got a 17% move to the upside for the Common Spider-Man, apparently going from $23 all the way up to $27, so a 17% move to the upside, as well as a 20% move to the upside for Steve Rogers, going from $5 to $6, but that one is definitely worth shouting out. And last but not least, an absolutely huge move. This is actually going to be the one that's in the thumbnail. Red Skull going from 120 all the way up to 160. Wow, I am so glad I got my sub 1000 cereal. I want you guys to know I bought it at like 135. I got an absolute fantastic deal on it, and I'm so happy I did. Let me know what you guys think about that move nowadays. With that being said, that's pretty much all the prices we really have for today, and that's all we really need to shout out. Let's go ahead and go to the Reddits then. There's a trillion Reddits to go through, so I'm going to go as fast as I can. This is a post from our homie SYST0US saying, sold out in 1 minute. Shout out to our homie. Next, we got one of the best, sold out even quicker this time. Shout out to our homie ACOCDAG002. Next, we got a post from Rian Voirici saying, are there people from South Africa here who could get a comic? I tried 3 days in a row with good Wi-Fi connection and couldn't get any. I can't really help you, my man. Next, we got AlleyBoy7 saying 8 a.m. and I get this, even after restarting. Oh well, I think the market was closed. Next, we got a post from Anthony611 Cataldi saying, does anyone want an ultra rare Thor comic? Sorry, no, not me. Next, we got a post from Walms82 saying, we are so early to Veve. I appreciate our homie Walms. Our homie Walms is always out here. Shout out to our homie. Next, we got Papa KR saying, finally, got my first ultra rare. Very pleased with this drop. Shout out to our homie Papa KR. Congrats on your first ultra rare, man. A very nice one to have. Very nice. Looks like you've got the Fantastic Four. Very nice, man. Next, we had a post from Mute Dev saying, not a big fan of the blind box drop, but he did happen to get one secret rare, one ultra rare, two rares. Too many commons and uncommons. Yeah, I mean, our homie got a lot of stuff. Shout out to our homie, Mute Dev. Next, we got Shop Diesel saying, I didn't get my collectible from the marketplace. I can't help you. You need to reach out to support, homie. Next, we got JVFL saying, has anyone found the mountain range in virtual showroom? Am I late? I believe that people probably know about that. Shout out to our homie JVFL. Next, we got a post from Chemical Ad 3421 saying, my first secret rare just got delivered. I thought it wasn't going to get anything good. All commons on last two spots. Such a wonderful surprise. Our homie got surprised with the secret rare. Congrats to our homie Chemical Ad. Congrats on the secret rare, man. Let's go. Next, we got Soft Release saying, the digital comic market is so disorganized. How do I choose an individual rarity? They're working on that. I think they've said they were working on that. Next, we got Gullible String saying, my results all from blind boxes. Our homie got a pretty good amount of commons. Looks like we got 5, 10, 11 commons plus 6. That's 17. And then we go ahead and add 8 more. That's 25. So our homie got 25 commons. He's got 2 uncommons here. Oh no, he's got 4 uncommons here. We've got a rare here, a rare here, and then a secret rare. So shout out to our homie. It doesn't look like he got any ultra rares, but shout out to our homie Gullible Strings. Thanks for sharing the data. Next, we got a post from Foxen saying, so again, it seems like low mint number does not matter for the comics. Thoughts? I'm not 100. I'm not 1,000% sure on that. Next, we got Ray saying, "Let's go." Our homie looks like you may have gotten this the ultra rare right there. Shout out to our homie J Ray. Let's go. Next, we got OK Dragon. Did anyone get a rare, ultra rare, or secret rare on the more delayed deliveries, or do they always arrive first? I think on the last drop they delivered some of the more rare ones later. Next, we got a post from our homie Fresh Source saying 1 million. I don't know what's going on. Our homie is just auctioning off a DeLorean for $1 million. I don't understand. I don't think that's gonna sell, my man. Next, we got a post from our homie Synapse Saro saying, question about selling on eBay. So I know eBay allows NFT sales, but there's some policy that says you have to have 100 transactions worth of 1,000 to be able to sell it. Anyone know any tricks to circumvent that? You should easily be able to circumvent that. I could be wrong. I'm not an expert. I'm just a normie. Next, we got a post from our homie Check Z1MH says, I'm a hater. No secret rare for me. Do you agree? I don't know what this guy's talking about. Next, we got a post from our homie. Should you hold secret rare? I mean, it's up to you, man. It's up to you. Next, we got a post from our homie. Gullible Strings. Fantastic 4 mint 974. Cheapest on the market. I don't do sales here. Sorry, homie. Next, we got a post from our homie MBTB Shannon. This week in Marvel Podcast talked about Veve collectibles and digital comics. Let's go. Next, we got Tronics Smoker saying, I love this app and community. I think I did go this drop. I think it means I think I did good this drop, and our homie did get the ultra or the secret rare Thor comic. Shout out to our homie. Next, we got MBTB Shannon saying new comic drop Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Whoa, we got more comics coming? Oh, that's awesome. Let's go. This is in a couple days here, guys. I hope you guys are pumped up. New Mutants is going to be so sick, dude. I'm so excited to see that one. Let's go. We do have more comics coming on Tuesday, guys. Post from our homie Granola Warfare kind of confirming everything for us. We do have 3 more coming. I'm very excited about this New Mutants one for sure, and I'm not exaggerating that. I'm very excited about this X-Men one too. Let's go. Next, we got Marvel and House of X are both limited series in original comics. 6 issues of House of X and 4 issues of Marvels. Okay. Shout out to our homie MBTB Shannon. Let's go. Last but not least, we got Omi's price trading at 0.002723. Omi can be your homie. I'm not going to be your daddy, and nothing in this video is financial advice, everybody. All right, guys. We got some huge drops coming up already on Tuesday, just a couple days away. I'm very excited about that. I hope you guys are as well. I'll be with you guys all throughout the week. I hope you had a very restful weekend, and I hope you guys have a great conclusion to your weekend. Have a fantastic night. I'll catch you guys in the morning. Peace.